Nations. Imagine taking her on a paddleboard.
She's done her work for the day.
And now we gotta figure out how to shower her. Put some tape around her paws. Tape up her paws.
Yeah.
And then just give her a good lather. So literally we need to take her into the sea.
See her? Where is she?
Don't fall on your way down.
You see her? Not over there, is she? Is she that far away? She's found herself a place to go to the bathroom.
She finally found some sand.
She walked really far.
Oh my god. She's such a trooper. A shitty trooper. She loves sandboxes, and so that's where we know to go find her.
Coco, you need to come home.